Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to completely delete Clash Royale data from your iPhone. First, locate the Clash Royale app icon on your home screen. Press and hold the icon until it begins to jiggle, then tap the small X that appears in the corner. Confirm the deletion when your iPhone asks if you want to remove the app and all its associated data. This crucial first step clears all local game files from your device. Next, it's vital to disconnect your Supercell ID. If you still have the app installed, open Clash Royale, go to Settings, and tap the Connected button under Supercell ID. From there, select Log Out to sever the connection between your game progress and that specific Supercell ID on your device. This step is essential for ensuring your cloud save data is no longer easily accessible from your iPhone. To further ensure complete data removal, you should address Game Center. Navigate to your iPhone settings, scroll down, and tap on Game Center. If you are signed in, tap on your Apple ID and choose Sign Out. This action effectively disconnects all game data, including Clash Royale progress, from your Game Center profile on this device. Remember, signing back in will not automatically restore your old game saves. Finally, to verify the deletion, you can optionally reinstall Clash Royale. If no previous game progress appears, you have successfully removed local and cloud data from your device. For a complete and permanent removal of your game data from Supercell servers, you must contact their support team directly. They can assist with a full account deletion request, ensuring your personal information and game history are entirely erased.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.